Should you refinance an existing reverse mortgage? The last couple of years, home values have skyrocketed. The ability to work from home has created a demand for homes that are outside what was previously considered a normal commute to work centers. Good for us. Home values are at an all-time high. This has created an opportunity for senior homeowners holding a reverse mortgage. While home values continue to rise to historic levels, interest rates are at historic lows. It could be the perfect time to refinance your reverse mortgage and access more of your home equity. When you refinance, the cost is lower than the first time around because you get credit for the upfront mortgage insurance you paid when you took out the reverse mortgage initially. Now, take the current lower interest rates and high home values and use them to your advantage by refinancing now. Take the current low interest rates and high home values and use them to your advantage by refinancing. To find out more about the benefits of refinancing your current reverse mortgage, let me know. It's a straightforward analysis to see how much benefit you could receive. Give us a call today.